Oh, the Asempa Nabo. 24-hour economy. Sepri. Abusia, a higher Ghana TV. Mr. say, Uber subscribe to the channel. Don't forget you share about comment section. I'm sharing na. Abusia for Uko Takoradi ports. There is this group. Scrap dealers, registered scrap dealers. Ewo Takoradi ports. Abusia for the government na abases ya no edge omu and as chairman be a ewo honomu because this scrap dealers no they are saying that omu ye NDC delegates omu say ye scrap registered scrap dealers ewo port honomu. They said they have paid 33,000 Ghana cedis. 33,000 Ghana cedis to omu chairman be said be ya ombetuma asesa scrap na ewo port or railway scrap no ombetuma twetwa bi abusia for you see endra call ya say omba be start adwuma na see ye de nkofo bi free nkran aba honum say omumbom no mba ye adwuma no ebra ometua 33,000 Ghana cedis no each nipa ba ko bi atua 33,000 Ghana cedis abusia for enu na omo say de bi omo ntinansi hwe han ebra ometua ska say omba beye juma no enti agise chama no refund this car no eba omo ansana they will allow those call Accra fi Accra no buy say omba beye juma no omba beji omo juma no omaye enye sadia butu ebesi ho no abuja fo ene ho no aye butu mo ma enko ho no mra na heba ye betsa so ayezu
this how say my brother and you say you pedede na ye how say ye nyina ye wo hana ohun ye nyina ye wo hada ye ya beto scrap say ye be ye djuma won pese ye be ye no obi ani ho a onye delegates kosimitim afia cathode scan na skendi youth na ye nyina delegates na ye nyina ye dan ye bua no a yeko bank ye ka ji loan ye da ba tuye nyama da ka ndende ye echina ya tuye skana wie na sisi awaka da ye ba ye juma na agreement ntem bia since yes Wednesday Monday afternoon de ye hu yara fan right akrafu no pese wo ginyema no fie nsem tabia ye scrap dealers ya wo hade no ya se scraps ba na se ye beto a ye wo na akrafu ba wa ba se nyema na nyina doko Monday no ye wo na nimpa tu wo fira akra wa ba hyase de otonyema wo twetwa nyema no doko ye bisana wo se wo de ne paper fira akra no baba yesu ye tueska no aye wo ha ye tueska na ye ba ye juma won pese ye ba ye juma no nti ye hawan de juma no ye pere ye de o ma ko ma ye wo ma akafo nyina nko no nja yan na ye wo Takoradi ha aye yuta yesu ye brema partner ba pa wono yesu ye de because as a delegate no ebinim ye campaign no ebinim apra wona wo pra wo gugu fie nyago nti yesu ye nyoma juma ye no ye da ka de na nkotie wona wo ye delegate ye party juma mo apra wo de fie a wontum ye hwe no won ba no wontum ntua school fees no ye juma ne ye ska ye ko ye bia mo no so tum tua won ba school fees when you be a show, more piano water, or from Isaka.
Abusia, and see, according to them, see during the campaign, call be bresu epra egufi government no, and as a partner, show school fees crano to mintia, rent and same, niyama be brea say. Inti adwuma we na omusu omuye edi bua nkofo na omepra during the campaign time no amugu fia government na nhwe omu no inti omu ti ase edi inti a ombesa ti sa 33,000 Ghana cedis ema sa chairman no se de be ya ombe ye adwuma no na sa chairman no sa de afa akofa nkofo foforo aba port hono se be ombe ye adwuma no inti enya de ombe ti ase de it's a set. Abuja, in some no, a be wa humba papa. Umayan corner and got to us. na yaba nsɛm ho ayezu ayeza sɛ yaka kyerem ye de yaka mumpese mu bete ene muhoe enkombra.
My name is Alhaji Razak. I'm the chief zongo of Biahu traditionally, and a scrap dealer, a registered scrap dealer in the port here. We were there when our regional chairman called us.
Which regional chairman?
NDC regional chairmans, Efia, Kosumtim regional chairman, Kosumtim regional chairman, Eskado Katan, Sekeni regional chairman. They call us together. This is what is going to happen. Railway, they are going to auction their things, and they have given the item that is inside the Takoradi port to the regional chairmans at the Sekeni Takoradi Metropolis. And this is the amount they want us to pay before we can get access to work on the items.
What?
They say each dealer should pay about 330,000 Ghana cedis, which will be equivalent to 100 tons of scraps.
From what?
From the railways, wagons, and the rails itself. So as at Monday, some of us made a payment to the committee. We decided to start work on Tuesday. They said they were doing some documentation. So we should wait till yesterday. That was Wednesday. We waited till yesterday. We couldn't work again. Today we came in a different topic altogether. So we are even demanding our money back.
What is the topic?
The topic is that it seems what they showed us is not part of their consignment.
Including this?
Including this one. That's what I'm hearing.
But did you pay them? Have you finished?
We have finished making the payment since Monday.
The
50,000 for each group of people. We have about 10 groups.
So each group is paying how much?
330,000 Ghana cedis.
And you have paid all these monies?
We have paid all these monies to them.
Who did you pay to?
We paid this money to the committee that from Accra and the regional chairman that is in Takoradi.
There's no regional
Constituency chairman that is those are in
Was the regional chairman Anatuku there?
No, he was not there. But the chairman, according to them, is aware of what the constituency chairmen are doing.
So who is this person that received the money?
To me, I paid my money specifically to Efia chairman.
What is his name?
Sedu.
What's Sedu?
I don't know the surname, but I just know him Sedu. I just to call him. What is it? That's chairman Sedu.
So you, as an individual, how much did you pay?
I paid 330,000 to him.
Ghana cedis.
Yeah, Ghana.
For how many?
400 tons of scraps.
And today, what is happening right now?
Today, what they allocated for me before I made the payment, I went with my people to start working, and national security people come and stop me. I asked them why. They say no, they haven't finished. Our people haven't made payment to the road ministry. So until that, they are not going to allow us to do our work. So when we contact the chairman back, he said no, they have made the payment.
Who did they pay the money to?
They said they paid it to the national committee that's from that came from Accra, and they are based at Akuma Plaza. Now I'm here to take the chairman to the national regional chairman to see how best they can help resolve this issue by the close of the day. So tomorrow, either we'll start our work or they give us our money back.
What position do you have in the scrap dealers?
I'm a managing director at my own Suro enterprise. I'm a registered scrap dealer in the port of Takoradi here.